this is my Cars 2 collection of trucks, little trucks. As you can see, there's Dynago's truck, I forgot these two, and then a Spy Train, and then Mac, Lightning's truck. Of course you know that's Lightning's because he's red, and Lightning's red. Yep. So the first truck I'll show you is Mac. Side, back, there's lightning right there, and the other side. So now I'm going to open it up by first doing this, and then opening this. I don't have the right type of cars, because these are stunt cars, so yeah. These are stunt trucks. So I put Tia in here because my leggings are big with his tongue sticking out. So yeah. Now this launches her out. All you gotta do is push that lever like that and she goes out. Now here's another way you do it. Do that so they can practice side wheels. That didn't work out perfectly. Yeah, so I'm gonna put her back in. Put that up. Shut that. That. And I have to do that. And then hit that, put that in, and now I'm going to show you the Spy Train, which is my favorite among all of them. So, that's the front, side, back, and the other side. So now, I'm going to show you the front. You can see his eyes aren't angry right now, right? And there's no machine guns on the sides. Or you press this, hold that down. Machine guns come out of the sides, one side, other side, and then he's angry. All you gotta do is push that down, hold it down. Yeah, and now all you gotta do is push that down and hold it down and then let it go. Yeah, so, like that. Now, I'm not gonna open it. Looks like the spy's gonna come out. It's gonna look like something busts through. That was awesome. Just busted through. Yeah, so now I'm going to do it opened up. Well, all you have to do is press this button to do it. So, yeah. Yeah. Going back in. It's a security guard. Now I'm going to show you another truck. Yeah. That's the front. Front, side, back, and other side. So you open that up and do that. As you can see, I put Dynago in there. So, yeah. This is where they spin on the front of them or the back. Yeah, so you push that lever and it can go. I like it. whenever they're long wheels. Now, all you gotta do is do that, load it up, and then still with Danico, that still won't work. Do this. And shut the door. Hip side. Now this one. That's the front. Side. Back. Another side. So now you do that same way. Do that. Now here's a race official. Yeah. So yeah, that's the front. How it looks from the front. Yeah, so all you gotta do is push that lever. It goes pretty fast. Not faster than us. The others go fast. The side wheel still won't work great with the side wheels. So get that and lock it up. And shut that. Now here's just a truck, a regular one, sort of regular. Yeah, so that's the front, the side, and back, other side. So all you gotta do with this side is open this up and hitch it from there. All you gotta do is open that up and take the ramp out. Down here, there's some of these that are hard to take out, like that. Yeah, like that. So now all I gotta do is fold that, throw them in, and shut that. And that was the review for today of my Cars 2 truck collections. Bye, and please subscribe.